In this video, I will show you how to get a job at JPMC. So what you need to do for this is you need to go over to a browser and then just type in JPMC and then jobs. And once you do that and click on enter, and then at the top you will see this option careers, or you can click on explore opportunities. I'm just going to click on careers. And then from here, you can just go ahead and scroll down to find some information about the company. And if you know enough and sure you want to apply, then you're going to scroll down and click on join our team at the top right. And after you've done that, you will land on this page where you can find jobs based on job title, skill, or keyword, or you can filter on a city, state, or country. So go ahead and fill something in. And let's say we want to filter on United States. Then we're going to click on United States in here. And now we will only see jobs from the United States. Let's say we want to filter on a city. Then we're just going to select, for example, New York. Then we're going to select New York Bronx. And now we will only find jobs that are available in New York Bronx. So you can just go ahead and look for jobs. You can also filter on job titles, as I already told you. You also have categories, so you can fill in areas in here. So let's say you're interested in strategy. You're going to select this. And then you can also filter on posting dates. So you can select really recent ones, less than 7 days. And let's say that I'm interested in this job in here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on that job. And then you'll basically find all the details that are included into this job. You will see all of your responsibilities, the required qualifications, capabilities, and skills, preferred qualifications, and everything about the company and about the team. And if you want to apply for a job, you're going to click on apply now. And after you've done that, you need to fill in your email address and then click on I agree with the terms and conditions, then click on next, and then you will go through the application process. And this process is pretty easy. What you need to do is you need to fill in personal information, and you need to fill in a CV, a motivation letter, and a resume, or you can also choose to sign up with your LinkedIn and also do the application through your LinkedIn. So you can just select the method you like. Anyway, you just need to complete the flow, and after you have completed the flow and everything is processed, your application will be reviewed, and then JPMorgan Chase will let you know if you get the job. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.